It's like a rainbow.
Kyle, what's up? Oh my god.
This is like going into a Disney movie. What is this stuff?
This is the best day ever.
What did you do for work?
Oh my gosh.
I like this car watch.
This is so good.
I want to come back. Oh, I don't know what this is. It's very concentrated. Can we go through again?
I know, we can just hop in with someone else in the back of the line.
Oh, it's almost over.
Don't cry because it's over, Kyle. Smile because it happened.
Okay.
Oh, yellow light, not green light yet.
Are we supposed to put it in?
Huh?
They didn't tell us how to exit
I think you put it in drive.
when it goes green.
Yep. Okay. Well, it's not green yet.
No braking.